is a long pond. I would say this is between Bridgheampton and Sag Harbor, New York. It's a big chunk of ice here. Okay. I'm walking on the ice. That's the edge right there. I'm walking on the ice. Snow's starting to come heavier, and this seems to be frozen. This seems to be more frozen than the... Oh yeah, this is definitely frozen. I'm about 25 feet from the edge, and it's still going. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Maybe went too far. Okay. I'm about 35, 40 feet from the edge. I'm in Long Pond, New York. What is it? Long Pond, Bridgheampton, I guess. There's a few houses out there. Seems to be a big chunk of ice here. The snow is coming. It looks like the snow is coming from the northeast. It's coming from that direction out there, right from behind me. So it's cold. It's really cold. My ears are cold. My ears are cold. My nose is cold. Oh, but anyway, I'm sitting. This is not as deep as the other one. This is probably a little 3 inches. 4 inches, that's why I probably was frozen than the other one. But anyway, it's interesting. I've never been out here. Okay, let's try to go a little bit out there. Okay, I could hear the ice crack. I hear the ice cracking a little bit. Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I heard that crack, so I'm about, I don't know, 45 to 50 feet from the edge. I'm right in the I don't know, it's not that deep, but it's definitely cold, and if I fall in there I'm gonna have hypothermia. There's an old boat out there, a wooden boat. I'm gonna see if I can reach it to take a look at it. It's probably all frozen. Anyway, snow keep coming down. It's really hard now. The wind is starting to pick up right on my back. I can feel the wind in my back. I can feel the wind in my back. It's cold. I broke gloves, so it's good. It's good that I got gloves. I took this one off. I don't know if I'm filming. My battery. Yeah, I'm recording. My battery just died on me, so I had to replace it. I'm sitting down. As you can see, I'm sitting down on some 45, 50 feet away from the edge of a long pond. The wind is blowing from my back. You can see the snow covering my glasses. Oh no, I'm gonna lay down. See, I'm laying down. It's nice. I haven't seen this stuff for 2 years. I was in Costa Rica last winter. I didn't see any snow. So it's coming down. I don't know. We have probably about 1/4 of an inch, 1/3 of an inch right now. It's coming down, and it's gonna snow the rest of the day, and we're definitely gonna see some accumulations here. I don't know. Definitely a foot of snow. They said maybe even more with the drift. So it looks like the drift is gonna be on my north side of the house. So that will be interesting to see. But anyway, I'm laying down. As you can see, I'm laying down. This on the back is a chunk of ice. I don't know how deep it is. I don't know how deep it is, but I don't think it's that deep. I don't know, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 inches right here. It would be interesting to make a hole in here and see how deep it is. But it's frozen, and snow keep coming down. You know what? I'm gonna try to swing around and not take another shot from a different angle. Okay, I just get out of the trail. There is a path that is called the Spring Tree Path, which is around Long Pond. I don't know if I want to go any. I think I'm just gonna go a little bit out that way. This is southbound. This is the LIRR trail. This is towards my home, southbound towards the house, and this is towards Sag Harbor. Interesting enough, there's on the other side of Long Pond, this is the west side. This spot is now frozen. I don't understand why, but there's parts that are not frozen completely. The wind is starting to pick up. I took another detour here. I'm on this trail that I never follow, so I'm gonna take and see where it takes me. It's getting cold. It's really chilly now. I think I got a little wet for playing with that snow. And see over there, that's Long Pond. All that is Long Pond. It looks like everything is frozen, or at least that's what it looks like from here. And I'm gonna see where this trail takes me, and then maybe I'll connect it with the main Long Island Railroad trail. That's Long Pond. I don't know how big it is, but it's pretty big. I'll probably say half a mile, 3/4 of a mile, 1 mile, I don't know. But it's pretty big, and it's cold. My hands are cold, my face is really cold. So I'm gonna follow this for a little while longer, hoping that it will connect me with the Long Island Railroad trail, and then I'll be heading back home. I need to heat up, warm up. I'm getting really cold. I have my cell phone with me just in case, but we'll see what happens. I've been hiking for over an hour now. Well, I spent some time playing on the frozen pond, but I left home about over an hour ago, and I'm over about 10-15 minutes away from my home, so it's gonna take me about at least half hour to get back home. I made it back into the main trail, so that way it's towards Sag Harbor, New York, in my back, and in front of me it's towards Bridgheampton, towards my home. That's where I want to go. Long Pond is on my left, and there's some smaller pond out here, out that way, and it seems to be frozen. So I'm gonna be heading back home just to warm up the snow. The wind has stopped a little bit, but snow keep on falling. We must have half an inch of snow, and you can see the trees here. You can see trees, the snow on the trees. Anyway, I'm gonna head back home. It's cold, and maybe I shouldn't be doing walking, going for a hike in the beginning of a blizzard. But anyway, we'll see what happens. I'm 20 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes from home.